Others Metric, Public Office Road, Nagapatnam. Have a victorious day, students. Right? So already we studied about Unit 1, hobby turns a successful career. We studied already. Okay. Now we are going to study about Unit 1 and Section 2, reading. It is also about a hobby. Take turns and read this section aloud. So you have to read at your home. Read loudly. Okay? Right. Ajay Kumar Garg is a very talented young artist. He lives in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Ajay was treated, but the treatment left him permanently deaf. His parents tried several hospitals to cure his impairment, but it didn't cure him. His father once bought him a paint set to play. Ajay started to paint happily. He painted on the walls, floors, etc. He looked happy while using the paint set that was gifted to him. Soon Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, a court artist of Dholpur, that is in Rajasthan, Sri Sualal saw his painting and was very impressed with his work. He then took Ajay and started training him. So in this first para, Ajay Kumar Garg, a very talented young artist, lived in Jaipur, that is in India. He suffered an injury at the age of 3, that is, and become deaf. So he can't able to hear the voice, and if anybody talks, then he can't able to hear. His parents tried many hospitals to cure his disability, but it was useless. Ajay used to paint on the walls and the floors. Realize his interest in painting also. A court artist of Dholpur. Dholpur is a place in Rajasthan. Sri Sualal, what's his name? Sri Sualal started educating him in painting. So he has helped. After completing his education, Ajay became an apprentice of Asha Devi, who taught him the miniature painting. Soon, Ajay became an accomplished artist in the miniature style. He was gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. Next, Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of 150 paintings. How much? 144 out of 150 paintings displayed. He continued to show his work throughout India and United States and the United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So in this para, Ajay exhibited his work, that is his paintings. So out of 150 paintings, 144 paintings displayed in the exhibition. So he sold, totally 150 paintings are there. He has sold 144 paintings he has sold. His work became famous, not only in India, throughout the other countries also, that is United States and the United Kingdom also. In 2004, remain the year 2004, he was awarded National Award. He got National Award. So from the Indian President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay. Next para. Apart from painting, Ajay is also very actively involved in the welfare of people with hearing impairment. In India, and has been the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. He also gives free training to hearing impaired children in Jaipur as well as children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar, Jaipur. One of Ajay's current goals is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. Ajay's life shows us that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career if we are ready to learn and develop our skills. So in this para, Ajay, he has involved the other people's welfare with hearing disability and gave them free training also. He has been the executive member of Deaf and Dumb Association. It is in Rajasthan. One of Ajay's current goals is to re-energize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. So he has taken the steps to improve the art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. So do you know the traditional miniature painting? Have you seen Tanjore painting? No? Right, okay. So like that painting, so in Rajasthan it is very famous. So he has making effort to improve the miniature Indian paintings, traditional miniature Indian paintings. So it is Ajay's life. So it shows that he can prove, so we can get the idea that is our hobby will turn into our life, that is successful career we can get. So we have to ready to learn and develop our skills, right? Okay, let us see about the glossary. Impairment, disability. Miniature, very small of its kind. Accomplished, fulfilled. Magnify, enhance. Exhibit, show or reveal. Revitalize, re-energize. Revitalize, re-energize. Okay, students, let us go to the read and understand. Read and understand. Right, A. Say true or false. One is Ajay Garg is an artist. Yes, it is true. Second one, Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. True, very good. Next one, Ajay displayed 150 paintings. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. True, very good. Next one, Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. True, very good. Right. So let us see the answer the following questions. I'll read the question and I'll say the answer also. Okay. So you have to take notes and write down. That is better. So little bit you have to study well. That is very necessary. So don't waste your time and utilize this time as a very good manner. Okay, that is very useful for this one. So don't waste your time. Utilize this one as a improvement of your life, right? Okay. So it is easy. So if you are coming to the academic year, next academic year, it is easy to learn. Right. We'll go to the first one. What was Ajay gifted with? What was Ajay gifted with? Answer is, all of you take note and write. Ajay was gifted with a skill of painting. Right. Next one. How was he honored? Answer. He was honored by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with a National Award of Accomplishment. So after this I am saying the answer, then you have to pause the video, then you have to write out. Okay, do you understand the students? So you have to pause the video, then you have to take a notebook and write down. That is better. Third question. What did Ajay's current goal? Ajay's current goal was to re-energize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. Okay, next one. Fourth, is Ajay's hobby become a successful career? How? Yes, Ajay's hobby has become a successful career because his work became popular all throughout India, the United States and the United Kingdom. He has also become the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. That's all. Thank you, students.
August Metric Public Office Road, Nagapattinam.